everybody, welcome to the QvZ shopping network, where the only thing we sell is the truth. Hi, I'm your host, and we are thrilled to show you this new collection. So stay tuned, folks. This is just the appetizer. Our phone lines are officially open, and I am here taking any of your orders. The first item we have today is a unisex, upcycled tie-dye t-shirt with a hand-painted raw steak. I think it's a ribeye, it might be a T-bone, but this is just fabulous. This shirt is 100% upcycled, 100% vegan, and 100% cruelty-free. With this awesome tee, everyone's gonna want a piece of your meat. Up next, we have another wonderful hand-painted corset by Moldy Smith herself. We have different logos and emblems of images that bring her pure joy. This is a perfect look for a night out, or even the night of your wedding. Either way, all eyes will be on you, honey. Up next, we have a beautiful holographic cropped blazer with a bedazzled front and back patchwork and ostrich feather trim. Now, this next article of clothing is one of my personal favorites. Now, these fabulous jeans show off all your curves with a nice hip-hugging technology that is guaranteed to give you the fattest ass. It looks like we already have a caller for these jeans. Hello.
Oh my god, am I on live?
What is your name?
Petunia.
Well, hello, Petunia. I hear you're interested in these jeans.
Yes, and I just have one question. Will they really give me a fat ass? Because, you know, I've been looking everywhere and I just can't seem to...
Yes, Petunia, darling. They are 100% guaranteed to give you the juiciest ass. It's the Moldy Smith guarantee.
Oh my god, are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna take 10, okay?
Beautiful. You're gonna look amazing, Petunia. You're gonna look amazing. Now, this piece is a beautiful Cowgirl Essential. Now, this vest is a very powerful statement. It'll let everyone around you know that this town ain't big enough for the both of y'all. Now, this next piece gives me a weird feeling and an acid flashback. This strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid bag is guaranteed to keep you fresh all summer long. Now for our final piece. This, oh my god, this is probably one of the most beautiful things I have ever seen, hands down. Oh my god, I want to wear it every day. I mean, look at it. The stitching, the gems, the design. I have no words. I have no words. I mean, look at it. Look at the detail. Look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning. I wish I could ride that Pegasus.
When you call today, folks, you will receive a free bedazzled G-string. Yes, that's right, you heard me. A free bedazzled G-string.
Wow, amazing. Well, thank you for tuning in. After this break, we will show you an exclusive look at the new snuggle, the blanket with sleeves.